Load your family into the 2017 Ford Escape. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.